density of methanol is 0.093 kg per liter. Very interesting. What is its volume needed for making 2.5 liter of its 0.25 molar solution? Very easy. Nonetheless, a different flavor. What I have been given? I have been given density of methanol is 0.793 kg per liter. Okay. Then please note, this is density of pure ethanol. Remember, this is pure, no water. And then I have 2.5 liter of 0.25 molar methanol. Now, when you say itne liters, itne moles per liter, this is suggestive that this is a solution, and if nothing has been mentioned, we simply take it as an aqueous solution. It is water dissolved in it. It has water dissolved in it. Now, molarity is equal to moles by volume in liters. So, therefore, number of moles is molarity into volume. Molarity is how much? 0.25 moles per liter, and this is 2.5 liters. 25 are 625. So that is 0.625 moles. So many moles of methanol have to be there. I am given kg per liter or grams per liter. So if I have the moles, I need to convert them to mass. Okay. So mass of MEOH is moles of MEOH into molar mass of methanol. What is molar mass of methanol? Carbon is 12, 4 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. That makes it how much? 32. Right? So molar mass is 32. Let me just multiply that. So I have 0.625 into 32. Now some of you might find this multiplication a little ugly. I always advise my students, avoid first multiplying then dividing. It is double. So just let us leave it like that. As a matter of fact, if you want, 0.625 also can be simply left as 0.25 into 2.5. In fact, you would find it much simpler. 0.25 into 2.5. What I have done, this number I obtained by multiplying these two. Let me just keep it as a multiple only, it is easier. 32, you know 8 4s are 32, right? So 32 is actually 4 into 2. What are you doing? I have just done factors. Why have you done that? 2.5 4s is 10. Is it? Yes. So I'll just say this is 0.25 into 4, 2.5 into 4. I've just clubbed these. 0.25 into 4 is 1. This is 10. 10 into 2, 20. That makes it very simple. This is 20 grams. Oh my God, I have 20 grams of methanol? Yes, I just have exactly 20 grams of methanol. Very clean calculation. Now, 20 grams of methanol. I have mass, I have density, and what they have asked me is volume. So, volume is mass of methanol divided by density of methanol. Please note, volume is of pure methanol. This is not solution. So, mass is of pure methanol and density is of pure methanol. This is 20 grams divided by, I have 0.793 kg per liter, kilograms per liter, which is 793 grams per liter. Oh, wow, how did you do that? That's not very difficult. Please remember, kilo is same as I am multiplying this by 1000. Kilo can be simply taken as multiplied by 10 raised to plus 3. Milli is 10 raised to minus 3. Kilo is 10 raised to plus 3. So I just did that, absorbed it here, so many grams per liter. I'll just use that. 793 grams per liter. Okay. So what is the volume I get? I get the volume as 20 upon 793 liters. This is the volume needed. Now again you will say this is ugly. Of course it is ugly. How do we solve it? Let me solve it for you. If you want the answer, of course there are people who just love the answer. I'll give you the answer also. Not just that, I'll also teach you the calculation tricks. Are you ready? There we are. See, we'll do it here. First of all, the calculation trick, because you'll not have such answers ready in exam. 20 by 793. Now 20 upon 793. 793, can you discover the closest round figure around 793? That is 800. Oh my God, so could we take that as 800? I mean, trying never harms you. This is 20 upon 800 minus 7. Can I say that? Yes. Which is actually 1 upon, this is 40 minus 7 divided by 20 is 0.35. 0.35. Okay. Which I can take as 1 upon 40, 1 upon 1 minus 0.35 upon 40. I can take 40 common, which is 1 by 40, 1 plus 0.35 upon 40. Oh, can we do that? Yes, we can do that. How exactly? I have used a theorem in maths which says that 1 upon 1 plus x is approximately 1 minus x. If x is much less than 1. And if I have 1 upon 1 minus x, then that would become 1 plus x, provided x is very small. What is very small? Less than 1%. And do we have that case? We very much have that case. Okay, so how much is that? This is 1 upon 40. Now 0.35 is actually 3.5 by 10 or 7 by 20. So this is 0.35. 40 into 40, 1600. If you're willing to take that uglier number, sure. If you want, you can just neglect it. It's actually very negligible. So what do we write? We simply say 1 upon 40 is what? 0.025 liters. Right? The volume they wanted, 0.025 liters or 25 ml. No, I want more. If you want it more accurate, include this also. So many liters, if you multiply by 1000, it will be so many ml. So it will be I don't have space here, so I'll just do it. 0.35 upon 1.6 ml, which is 0.32 plus 0.03. 16 2s are 32, so this is 0.2. And this 3 also, if I just change it to 32, this is 0.2 plus 0.02. So I would get 25.22 ml roughly. Is that fine? Yeah. If you match this with a calculator answer, you will still get exactly the same answer. That is the beauty of hand calculations. Oh my God, this is so long. I had to write all this so that I can explain you. This is all in mind. It is mental mathematics, my dear. And I assure you, if you stick on with me and try these tricks and methods, you would be very good at these calculations by the time we finish our overtures in physical chemistry.